National Weather Service in Binghamton has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Otsego County, eastern Broome County, northwestern Delaware County, southern Shenango County until 2:15 p.m. At 1:25 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Sanitaria Springs, or 13 miles northeast of Binghamton, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Franklin, Shenango Valley State Park, Trout Creek, Cannonsville, East Sydney, Robert V. Riddle State Park, Tyner, Port Crane, Sanford, and Harpersville.